Hi, welcome to Cobwebs and Quartz. My name is Jan and today is day 20. We're old hats at this now. Maybe we won't be able to open this one. I just jinxed us. Uh-oh. Ripping the box. I'm looking for something new, so this looks new. Maybe new to me, maybe not new to you. Let's see. It's a fruit infusion. It's called caramel shortbread. That sounds great. It's caffeine free and it's 5+ minutes. Let's get this on there. Caramel shortbread. Ta-da! This is exciting. I think I've had mulled wine, yesterday's wine, before. I've never drank it. I just opened it and smelled it and was like, no thanks. Oh, caramel shortbread. Yep, that's what that smells like. Good job, DAVIDsTEA. You nailed the smell. Oh, I could just live in there. Woo! I don't know. I never know what's wrong with me. That is looking nice. I see some nuts. I actually see what looks to be like some caramel pieces. That is so adorable. It almost looks like amber slices of shards of glass. Let's let that sit there and have a little bit of a chat like we do every day because this is our thing now. And I guess I wanted to chat about that, about our relationship. Yes. Yep, I think we have a relationship. Okay, so talking about internet friends and people that you've never met in person, but that you have a close connection with. That brings me to this. Yep, Tim Tams. Currently now you can actually get Tim Tams in our local grocery store, but previously you could only buy them in Australia. Or I guess not Canada, let's just put it that way. And I made a very good friend online. I used to scrapbook all the time and made a friend through scrapbooking, made many friends through scrapbooking that I still keep in touch with and that we still chat and share things, and it's just delightful. Sometimes internet friends are the best, right? So she used to send me care packages all the time with different treats, and she sent me that Vegemite. No. But she also sent me these Tim Tams. And she actually sent me little directions, I'm sure I have them somewhere, on how to properly ingest a Tim Tam. That's what we're going to do today with the tea. I was waiting to find a tea that would maybe marry well with Tim Tams. And we're just gonna go with it. So you can, well, we'll get into more of how to actually do a Tim Tam Slam shortly. But yeah, I just wanted to mention how great internet relationships and friends are. I can speak from just my own personal experience, and I can say that, you know, struggling with some different mental health issues, that this has definitely been helping me lately. It's something to keep me focused and to bring me some joy, like to actually feel like I'm learning something. I'm learning how to edit and I'm learning how to, you know, do things, and I'm doing them and I'm staying focused and I have a goal and I'm trying to reach that, and I'm just trying instead of not trying. I'm trying. And I think that that's, you know, huge for some people. Like I said, I'm gonna just speak from my own experience because I know that every single one of us are different. We're just like little snowflakes. I guess I just wanted to say thank you, and I appreciate everybody that's been, you know, having tea with me every day. And if you've been commenting and I'm getting to know you, I really appreciate that. And it doesn't go unnoticed. And it definitely impacts my day in a very positive way. So thank you very much. If you haven't left a comment already and you're a little shy, don't be shy. Leave me a comment, say hello, and we'll drink some tea together or talk about technology or thrifting and teacups and everything else in the world, and chocolate and Tim Tams and all things lovely. Okay, let's get these open. Oh, if I could just crawl in there, I would. Slim Shady! Who's the real Slim Shady? I'm the real Slim Shady! Okay, look at these. So, they're little wafery cookies, I guess. They're just bites of heaven. That's what they are. So they kind of melt pretty quick. So what we're going to do, let me see if I can show you this without, you know, getting my finger. Whoopsie daisy. Take two. So what we're going to do is, you see how the Tim Tam is a rectangle. We are going to bite a little nibble off of this corner and the opposite diagonal corner. So not this corner and that corner. We're gonna bite this corner and this corner. We're gonna turn it into a straw. I know it might sound weird if you've never had one before, but they are amazing. We're going to turn it into a straw. We're going to slurp tea through it. Then we're going to slam it into our mouth. Now, I do 2 bites. That's just how I roll. And you know, you do you, I'll do me. We'll all be okay. I don't know if this is actually going to make it for me and you to see this together because, you know, this might be a little bit much, but let's see how the tea's doing. Okay. Looks like there's lots of nuts in there. I can actually see some really big nuts too. Ignore that. Man, oh man. Never mind. Let's just drink the tea. That smells very good. I smell like the nuts and like the creamy caramelness. And then it falls flat. Not flat, too much something. It's almost like it tried too hard. Okay. But we're still gonna try our Tim Tam. Okay. So remember, diagonals. See? I got into the wafer part. Okay. Now the key is to not dunk and then go down. You want to bring your tea up, get this ready in your mouth, then quickly go to it. Because if you do it this way, then it's going to melt too much. All right. See if we can make this happen. God, that tea's still gross. It's so melty. I'm sure I have chocolate everywhere. Delightful, disgusting. Yep, that's awful. I think maybe I had myself so hyped up for it. Ugh. I don't like it. But leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this, because we all have different taste buds and we're all different little snowflakes, and that's quite okay. What I don't like, you may love, and vice versa. So let me know, have you ever tried a Tim Tam Slam? Do you do it with 2 bites or 1 bite? Do you slam the whole thing into your mouth? Or do you eat them like this? Another good way to eat Tim Tams is actually put them in the freezer. Oh, so good. Although that is my favorite way, with a better tea. You can use coffee or hot chocolate, whatever you like, something hot. So, because it's gonna melt it from the inside out. It's so good, so delightful. So, if you like this video, please hit like. And if you haven't already, I hope to see you subscribe. Until tomorrow, take care. Not drinking that.